You love being my country. Your love has been my guiding light, and I feel so lucky to have you in my life. I hope today is filled with all the happiness you deserve. I love you deeply, Ricky Martin.